Hello everyone and welcome. So in this video we will show you how to create amazing responsive table. So this is our table. The table is about world fastest players. So this is our table. As you can see, this is our table. This is what it does. So now let's create this table. Quit here and then we start with our HTML code. Main. After the main, we should give it some div wrapper. All fastest players. So after this, we should now put table. So after the table elements, caption is needed. Caption elements, fastest players, caption. This is where our table begins. For you to write the table heading, we should write tr. So after tr, th. So after th, name, club, and top speed. This top speed, it should be kilometer per hour. Save it and then refresh. This is it. So this is our table heading. After the table heading, over here enter tr. So we should now input the data and top speed is 36.7. Going to save, refresh. Okay, we have something here to look at. As you can see over here, this Antonio Rudiger and the club, they are all black and also this. So the reason is because here is supposed to be TD. TD stands for, so TD. Going to save, then refresh. It is now out as it is. So after this we should now input right here for us to make the table responsive. We should now put this data cell. So the data cell. So later in the video, at the end of the video, when we are writing our media queries, this data cell will be of need. So we'll be back after some minutes. Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is our table. We now have everything intact. This is our table, data cell, everything. So we then refresh, and this is our table. So now for us to make it responsive, then we should start with our CSS, HTML color scheme. Of course, everyone likes dark scheme because all programmers use that scheme. So this is our table. Color, font size 1.125 rem, font family we should use system UI, and then line height 1.5. Control save, and then we refresh. This is what you have. As you can see, this body code is not affecting this caption, so you will not have to deal with it. So dot wrapper, this is our first div element, mean so margin inline auto, control save, and then refresh. So this is what we have, but it should not be supposed to be like this. So this we should use 100 here. Control save, and this is what it's supposed to be. Over here, if we give it some this is what we have. As you can see, the margin is not aligning, so 3 width, background sheet 32323232, save, refresh. This is what we have. So let's start styling our caption and table heading. Caption, table heading, table data, padding just 1 rem. So this is our table. For those that are not seeing well, caption, text align, center, th, text align, left, control save, refresh, and this is what we have. So as you can see, if we do this, so now you definitely know what this code means. If you undo this and it turns back to where it's supposed to be. Caption, let's start styling our caption. This caption right here, this fastest players heading. Background HSL 0%, 0%. Font size, all captions text size should be big. Font width 700. Text transform uppercase. Refresh. This is our caption. We now have th background HSL 0 0 0 0.4 tr nth of type 2n. So the reason of this nth of type 2n is what we want to do with this is this table data. This right here is background color. It will be different from this, from the table data next to it. Also this color, this one color will be different from this one. So that means this color of background color of this one, it will be the same as this one, and while this one color, it will be the same as this one. So once you do that, you just input the background HSL 0.1, save, and then refresh. As you can see, we now have it. This th this th background, that is what we are seeing here, and this tr nth of type, that is what we have here. So if I do this 0.1, let's make it 0.7. Refresh. Over here, if we refresh, we now have this. As you can see, it is not darker. So but we don't want it like this, so we just do this. So this is what you have. If you like, you can change, you can give it whatever value of color you like to use. So we should just keep it this way. So after we have done with the first part, now let's make it responsive. First, make it responsive, and you just input your media query, media. So our max width will be 650 pixel. That's it. th display none. Save, refresh, and then we just do this. So this is what we have. As you can see, our fastest players. So now where is the table heading? Where there is name, club, and speed. The reason is because right here we just did display not table. th means table heading. So if we zoom out, you can see this is our table heading. Zoom in back, it has now disappeared. So td display grid, as you can see, this is what we have. It has now So the padding, we should give some padding, 0.75 rem, 1 rem. Refresh. So we should just reduce the line height. td first child, child, padding top 2 rem, and then we refresh. So this is our mistake, as you can see. So this is what we have. We just do this. Last child, refresh, and this is what we have. As you can see, the last child is different from the first child. It's last child. This is it. So td before content, do you guys remember when I said this data cell element, this data cell right here, I told you we will make use of it. So this is where we make use of it. That data cell name, crop and speed. This is where we make use of it. Data cell, give it this, no, this, then this. Save, refresh. So this is our data cell element. As you can see, it does not bring out this. For us to make it look more reliable, give space, refresh. So this is what we have. If you like, you can remove this, refresh, and it will still be the same. So but we will keep this font width 700, text transform capitalize, and then refresh. We now have this. So guys, this is our responsive table. This brings the end of this video, and please, if you have made it this far, like and subscribe, and also don't forget to support us by liking and sharing.